we went through the process of multiplication with their related tricks also. So now it's time to introduce you some division tricks with their test of divisibility. So this I will introduce you today. So what is division? Suppose I have a number 16 and this number is supposed to be divided by 5. So usually what we do, we'll just read the table of 5. 3 times 5 will be 15. Subtraction of both of these numbers, this will be 1. So have you ever noticed the relation among all of these numbers which I have circled right now? This we call it nothing but remainder. And this number we call it dividend. This is quotient. And this one we call it divisor. So apparently division is the process among dividend, quotient, divisor and remainder. So in order to formulate it, you are going to write dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This way you can formulate also, and if you want to check your answer whether it is correct or not, you will just put these values here in this formula. So 16 equals to divisor is 5, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. So this will be 15 plus 1, 16, same number. So your answer is correct. So this way you can check it also. Now I will talk about some divisibility test. First of all, I will take the number 2. So all the even numbers, as we all know, they are completely divisible by 2. Suppose we have 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 1, 8, 3, 4, 1, 9, 0, 2, 4, 0. So they all are even numbers. You know how to check whether the given number is even or not? We check it at ones place, or we call it unit place also. So if ones place is even number, so the whole number will be even number and this will be completely divisible by 2. This was the rule for the number 2. Now I have next number which is 3. Suppose I have a number 156, and if you want to check this number is completely divisible by 3 or not, you will just add the number of digits here. So 1 plus 5 plus 6, this will be 12. If the sum of the number of digits is completely divisible by 3, so the whole number is completely divisible by 3. You can take one more number here, 1890. Now you are supposed to check this number is completely divisible by 3 or not. You will just add number of digits here, 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 0. So this will be 18. So this 18 is completely divisible by 3, which means this 1890 is also completely divisible by 3. This was the rule for the number 3. Now I have the number 4. So divisibility test for number 4 will be like, we'll just take the last two digits of a given number. Suppose I have 5, 3, 0, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 0. If ones place and tens place is completely divisible by 4, and if the last two digits are 0, so the whole number will be completely divisible by 4. You will just check it from ones and tens place. The last two digits you are going to take. So this number also we can take it. The last two digits, double zero we have here. Last two digits, 8 is also completely divisible by 4. So this whole number will be completely divided by 4. Now we have the next number 5. For 5, we need only two numbers 0 and 5. Whenever we see 0 and 5 at unit place or at ones place, like 6 2 5, 7 2 0, 6 1 0, 6 1 5, we'll just notice ones place, or we call it unit place also. If this is 0 and 5, so this complete number will be divisible by 5. This was the rule for 5. Now rest of the numbers I will discuss in the next class.